Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel with me Samuel J, who can help you to learn English in simple way. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Samuel J. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about preposition at, on, and in. So this is the basic question, right? Where do you live? But some people, they still get confused how to answer this question, the basic question. Where do you live? Because you need to know you need to know which preposition that you can use correctly. So this video, I'll tell you how to use at, on, and in. Okay, let's take a look. When you are giving the number and the street name of your house, you can use at. I live at 6 Hill Street. I live at 9 Hill Street. I live at 17 Rose Street. Okay, we use at. And if you just ask which street do you live, you can answer the question by saying I live on. You can use on here. On Rose Street. I live on Hill Street, maybe. And the last one is, if you just ask, where do you live? As in the city or the country, then you can use in. I live in Kandari. I live in Jakarta. I live in Australia. I live in America. We use in. Alright, so what we got today, at, on, and in. That's all for me. Thank you so much. See you next video.